Here is lesson 41 for snare. We will play number 95. Now, as in with all lessons, you've already looked through, you know how to count it, you know how to play it. You're just following along with the video just to make sure that you haven't missed anything. So let's count this real quick. Remember how we count? We count all the eighth notes. And for a rest, you can say nothing or you can say rest. That works. So for instance, when I count it, I'm going to count 95 like this. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so let's count it. 1, ready, and 1 and 3. 1 and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 1. Now it's probably the most difficult measure is measure 1 and measure 2, or measure 5 and measure 6, because those are the same. We have 1 and 2 and 3. So if I'm going to count straight eighth notes, I'm going to airplay. It's going to look like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. If you're thinking straight eighth notes, that will be no problem for you. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. Okay? So let's play number 95. 1, 2, ready, and 1 and 2, 3 and 1, 2, and 2. Sorry, I missed that one flam right there. That second last measure. Alright, let's talk about a code phrase, and we're going to talk about number 95 a little bit more. Code phrase is alternate fingering. We don't have alternate fingerings on here. However, we do have alternate ways that we have our sticking. For instance, generally you've been taught to alternate your sticks for every strike. But sometimes we have paradiddles. Right, left, right, or left, right, left, left. Okay? And there are other exceptions, but for us, for the most part, alternate fingering doesn't really mean anything. But that is your code phrase. Alright, now I'm going to do number 95 a little bit faster. If you're thinking the eighth note, you'll have no trouble. 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, it'll be no trouble if you're thinking it through like that. Okay, so we'll try it at that speed. 1 and 2 and 3 and. Alright, there's your tempo. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, and. Alright, did you play it correctly? If you did, congratulations. If not, you need to go back and look at it. Take your time going through this. Make sure that you are counting it correctly so you don't make mistakes. Alright, that was lesson 41. Thanks for joining me.